Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will start a new writing skill from your syllabus, that is advertisement. Now from this video we come to know about the definition of it, what are the divisions of it, and at last we know about the format, how to write an advertisement. So let's go. Here I have given what is the definition of it. Here advertisement means describing the quality of a product, qualities of a product, any other product you want to sell. Okay, that qualities you are describing for what? To enhance its business, because you are having that business, you are having that company to sell the product, so you are describing the qualities of it. Now it encourages, what it encourages? It influences the customers to buy the product. That is the definition of advertisement. You know, I hope you all are quite familiar with the ad whenever you are watching TV or you are going through any other video in YouTube or WhatsApp. Okay, then you are getting some of the advertisement from there. Okay, all they are a part of advertisement. Now here it is written, advertisement plays an important role in the promotion of the business. Promotion of the business means, to develop the business. What the business you have, you want to develop, only for that's why you are giving advertisement in the social media. Now it is displayed on the public media. Okay, it will be displayed like TV, newspapers, magazines and social media, many other cases. Okay, you are actually giving that advertisement, you are getting also advertisement. If you have that company, then you are giving that advertisement of it. So now we are coming for the divisions of it. Okay, what are the divisions of or categories of the advertisement? If we will go for, then first number will be number 1, that will be classified. That will be classified advertisement. What is the classified advertisement? It is actually, it will be in related words. Okay, here that classified advertisement will be very much short. Okay, wanted vacancies, wanted any other persons. Okay, that kind of short. I mean, wishing birthday party of yours. For that why you are giving that advertisement in the newspaper or magazine. So in the newspaper or magazine, you have seen some of the classified portions will be there. There you will get some of the short advertisement. Okay, I mean any other flat to be sold. Okay, any other shop to be sold. So that kind of classified advertisement you will get. And here the money will be very less amount because it will be counted with words. That is classified. I think you have seen in the newspaper, even in the magazine, what there. And second number will be, commercial advertisement. Second number will be commercial advertisement. Commercial advertisement means, it is a broad in sense. Okay, commercial, it is related to commerce, means it is only for the business purpose. Okay, you have that company and you want to sell your product. That's why for doing business, it is commercial advertisement. Mind it, here that commercial advertisement is much more attractive rather than the classified, because here attractive title will be there, some related pictures will be there, so that it can attract, it can attract what? The customer. So that's why it is commercial advertisement. Now what is there in your syllabus? That is commercial advertisement. That one we are going to explain. Now here for the commercial advertisement, how we can draft or how we can create an advertisement for commercial purpose. That is, I am explaining here according to the point. First point, must be attractive with a catchy caption or heading. Okay, or sometimes subheading also. So in the very beginning, whenever you are starting an advertisement, then you have to give an attractive title, and that will be much more catchy. Catchy means, easy to attract the attention of the customer. That is. Next one, number 2, details of the product given in a clear way. So details of the product, what the product you are going to sell, the details of the product, that means all the qualities. Obviously the positive qualities you are giving, you are sharing with your customers. Okay, with a displayed way. in a clear way. Clear way means, you know, the language will be much more simple and understandable, so that the customer could easily understand what you want to tell, what you want to inform. So that details of the product you will give. Number 3, usually attractive with catchy slogans, pictures or sketches. Now here advertisement next quality will be there, that will be attractive. Attractive in which sense? I mean some of the related picture we will give. Suppose one mobile is there. Okay, Oppo mobile. You know, whenever we are watching that Oppo mobile on the screen of the TV, then we are attracted to buy it. Is it not so? Whenever some hero or heroine they are holding that one in their ear, then we are, you know, we are attracted to buy it, to purchase it. So now it will be attractive pictures, sometimes sketches or catchy slogans. Slogans will be there because our hero or heroine, they are using some of the slogans. Is it not so? So that is attractive slogan you will use. Even some of the related picture you will use. Next one, give name, contact number and address of the advertiser. Now if you are the advertiser, that means you are giving advertisement, so that's why you have to give your name, contact number. Name means actually your company name. Contact number, if you have that contact number through which customers can contact you, and then address, the complete address you will write also where under the advertisement, so that customer can connect with you. Next and last point, mention special offer and discount if any. So if in your product some of the offer or discount you want to provide to your customer, that one you will mention, because the customer they loves to get any other offer or discount from any other product. Suppose if you write buy one get one free, like that, or 50% off on the very beginning of a session or a new year. Okay, then maximum customer they love to get that product. Okay, that's why special offer or discount if you give, it will be much more attractive for the customer. So being an advertiser, you should maintain all these 5 rules whenever you are writing an advertisement. Okay, so now you can write all these definition, then what is that division, and then how to write an advertisement, that format. Please write down. Now we are going to discuss this advertisement with an example. Just wait for that. Now dear students, you can see here one question I have given. What is it? Just like write an advertisement of a high-tech laptop for your company. So let's practice how we can form an advertisement of that product for your company laptop. Okay, so now just like in that way I have formed. So it may be there, it will be different whenever you will try. Just I have tried for your own level, because you are in junior group. So your way of presentation will be like that, colorful presentation. Okay, if you will use sketch pen, then color pen, then it will be better for you. So for that, try to draw a box first, top side, left side and right side. Then you will write, what can I say? I must tell that very attractive title, catchy heading will be there, just like real robo. Okay, I have given real robo. In that way, you may decorate yourself. Real robo. Okay, that is the attractive title. Robo is the name of the laptop. Real robo. Now, I have drawn a picture related to that product, so that you know people or customer, after watching that one, they will be attracted to purchase that one, to buy that one. So here, that laptop I have drawn. In your own level, you will draw how much you can. That will be better for you. So I have drawn a laptop. Then point wise, with a bold mark or star mark, point wise you will give the details of the product. Okay, what are the quality, best quality, so that the customers will be attracted. Just like I have given first one, modern technology. So it will have, if you will buy it, then it will have modern technology. Next one, with digital color scheme. So here scheme, what the scheme we are providing. Okay, here digital color we are providing. Next one, free games inside. You know, today's children, you love to play game in the laptop. So obviously, if already pre-installed app will be there for games, it will be easy for you to download. So here, free games inside already present whenever you are purchasing that one. Okay. Next one, flat screen. The screen will be flat. Some of the laptop will go oval sometime, but here this flat screen, it will be very easy to contact with our eye. Okay, it is not harmful with our eye. That's why flat screen is much more attractive quality. Next one, available at all showroom. So if it is not available here, in everywhere it is available actually. That means available at all showroom. All the showroom you can purchase it, that one. And next, I am giving here, being an advertiser, I am giving what? The attractive price. I have written what? Only at 19,999. That means very less amount. If you want to provide, then you can achieve it, you can get it. Okay, so that is very attractive price, you can purchase it. Next one, again I have given an attractive slogan or attractive that kind of offer or discount I have given there. Flat 20% discount on any credit card. If you are using any other credit card, by paying that one, then you can automatically take the advantage of 20% discount. Okay, so that is much more attractive. So after watching that advertisement, anybody will be attracted to what? To purchase or to buy that one, to have it. And last one I have given what? The address of the advertiser. Address. Complete address I have given what? The Galaxy Mall, MG Road, Kolkata. Okay, that is the main origin. Okay, from where that company started, where that product are displayed. Even if it is displayed in all the district, but still here, Kolkata main, MG Road, contact number I have given here 150. It is imaginary contact number I have given. So in that way, your advertisement has been completed. At the end, you will close the box. So in that way, you can see here how attractive it is, how attractive it looks. Whenever anybody will go through it, they love to purchase that one. So being an advertiser, you must have all this quality. Okay, you should maintain that one in your copy. I hope it is very helpful for you. Thank you. Have a good day.